Okay, so let's solve this problem. So for this operation of scientific notation, then for this given, to evaluate, take note that we can only add or subtract a scientific notation if the exponents are equal. Since on this given the exponents are not equal, then we need to rewrite this given and make all the exponents equal. And to do that, focus on the highest exponent. So we have 7. Then for the scientific notation, since we have 4 and 4 is plus 3 to make this equal to 7. So therefore, we need to move 3 decimals to the left. So we have 1, 2, 3. So we need to add two zeros. Then for this scientific notation, since 5 is plus 2 to make this equal to 7, so we need to move two decimals to the left. So we have 1, 2, so just add 1 0. Then this is now the new equation. So we have 0.003561 then times 10. So the exponent now is equal to 7 then plus. So bring down this 7.03 then times 10 to the power 7. And for this scientific notation, so we have minus then 0.06172 then times 10 to the power 7. So this time, since the exponents now are equal, so we can add now these numbers and subtract. So we have 0.003561 then plus this 7.03 then minus this 0.06172 equal, so we have 6.971841. So 6.971841 then times 10 to just copy the exponent to the power 7. Then for this given, so for multiplication and division, so take note for multiplication, just add these exponents. So we have 3 plus 5 and multiply these numbers. So 5.27 then times 9.34 equal. So that's 49.2218. So this is 49.2218 then times 10 for the exponent. So to the power 8 because 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. Then bring down, divide by 7.341 times 10 to the power negative 3. Then this time for division, so you need to subtract these exponents. So this is 8, then minus negative 3, and divide these numbers. So we have 49.2218, then divide by 7.341 equal, so that's 6.7051. So this is 6.70 5, 1, then times 10. And for the exponent, since double negative, so this becomes positive. So 8 plus 3, that's equal to 11. So we have times 10 to the power 11.